Reservoirs, flat wooded paths and a waterfall. We're in Aberdeen Country Park on the third of our 10 easy Hong Kong walks. Welcome to another edition of Drone and Phone. We are doing 10 easy walks. Today, Malloy, we're going to be in Aberdeen. How are you feeling?
Excited. Yeah, this is close to where we work.
Okay, this is a loop. I think it's going to be about 12 kilometers, about 3 hours. Starts with a bit of an incline, but along a road. So once that is done, then from then on, we'll be skirting around Hong Kong Trail number 3, going down into Hong Kong Trail number 4, doing a little loop around Bennett's Hill and back down through a valley to Aberdeen where we started.
Let's see whether DJ is telling the truth.
Let's get going. Despite its reputation as a bustling metropolis, Hong Kong offers a wide choice of scenic hiking trails that traverse mountains, coastal cliffs and tranquil islands, providing an unexpected but enjoyable way to explore the city's natural beauty. In this series, we've chosen 10 easy hikes that get you around the region without too much stress on the body. Malloy, who is relatively new to Hong Kong and hiking, is our guinea pig. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Ready for a hike?
Yes, of course.
In this walk, we start at the Aberdeen bus station and make the short climb up Peel Rise towards the intersection of Hong Kong Trail sections 2 and 3. So we've done the first climb and now we're walking along a flat catchwater. It's only going to be a few hundred meters and then we'll be going back up again on the road up until we get to the point where we turn off along the Hong Kong Trail section 3. Once up to the turn-off, the hard work for this walk is done, as from this point the trail is mostly flat or downhill. It's longer than most of the other hikes in this series, but more like a ski run, with a sharp hill at the start and then long, gentle downhill to the bottom. Now, I'm not sure if you can hear the birds. We have birds singing, we have a stream running down beside us, and not a person in sight. It's hard to believe that just over that ridge, just right there, is Wan Chai, down to Admiralty, Central, Causeway Bay a bit further along. The hustle and bustle of Hong Kong is just over this hill, and yet where we are now, it feels like we're in complete solitude. The stretch from the turn-off down to the road in Aberdeen Country Park is long but flat, passing many streams and small waterfalls along the route. The wooded path affords very few views, but if you want shade and isolation, this is the perfect hike. Okay, Malloy, come. This is, we've done now about 7.5 kilometres. We're now still at around 200 metres. We haven't really dropped much at all in this last section, and now we're going to do the final part. So this is where we're going to continue down, we're going to drop down, and then we're going to slowly make our way out to Aberdeen around the reservoirs.
Okay.
Should be fun.
Let's go.
Cross over the road to join Hong Kong Trail section 4. This path takes you down through thick forest and over old bridges to a catchwater where you'll see a signpost to Aberdeen Upper Reservoir. At this point you leave the Hong Kong Trail and head back towards Aberdeen. So we've just hit the 10 kilometre mark and we're continuing along a relatively flat course. It is going downhill slightly at this point, but now the views are starting to open up. I'm not showing you that very well, but off to my left we're starting to see views for the first time, this time across Wong Chuk Han. Sun's come out as well, which is nice, and we think we've got about 2 kilometres just to get down there along these trails now. Okay, we're going to take a little detour. You can go straight back through the park and down the road and finish it off, but we want to take the river valley down, which has got a path that goes alongside it. It's possible to continue along the road out of the park and down to the town along Aberdeen Reservoir Road, or, as we did, detour off for a little adventure at the end, following the river from the dam down to the back of the Aberdeen Technical School. We don't advise you to take this route after heavy rain, as the river can swell. Well, that's it for this episode. We've done just over 12 kilometres. Sun's come out at the end as well. How's it been for you, Malloy?
It's quite an adventure, to be very honest, especially the latter part where we had to jump over rocks.
Yeah, I mean, it's very flat, but it is quite long.
Yeah.
Reasonably shaded, a good one for a warmish day. Now, if you're just finding this episode for the first time, you'll find all our others nicely catalogued on our website, droneandphone.com, and also on our YouTube channel by searching Drone and Phone. For now, my name's DJ.
And I'm Malloy, and this is Drone and Phone!